Welcome to Sensile India, where innovation meets seamless integration. We transform spaces into immersive experiences with our cutting-edge AV solutions. Imagine walking into a space that not only looks stunning, but also engages all your senses. At Sensile India, we believe that technology should not just be functional, but also transformative. Our mission is to create environments that inspire, entertain, and connect people in ways they never thought possible. Whether it's a corporate office, a home theater, or a public venue, our solutions are designed to elevate the experience to a whole new level. Our dedicated team creates customized AV solutions for homes and workplaces, enhancing your experience with high-definition visuals and immersive, crystal-clear sound. We understand that every space is unique, and so are the needs of our clients. That's why we take a personalized approach to every project. Our team of experts works closely with you to understand your vision and bring it to life. From the initial consultation to the final installation, we ensure that every detail is perfect. Our state-of-the-art technology includes everything from high-definition projectors and LED screens to advanced sound systems and smart home integration. We also offer ongoing support and maintenance to ensure that your system continues to perform at its best. Elevate your everyday experience with Sensile India. Visit our website today to discover more about our innovative solutions. Imagine watching your favorite movie in a home theater that rivals the best cinemas, or giving a presentation in a conference room equipped with the latest AV technology. With Sensile India, these experiences are within your reach. Our solutions are not just about technology, they are about creating moments that matter. We invite you to explore our website and see how we can transform your space. From detailed case studies to customer testimonials, you'll find all the information you need to make an informed decision. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Choose Sensile India and take the first step towards a more immersive and engaging environment. At Sensile India, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Our clients range from homeowners looking to upgrade their living spaces to businesses seeking to enhance their work environments. No project is too big or too small for us. We approach each one with the same level of dedication and attention to detail. Our team is always on the cutting edge of technology, constantly researching and implementing the latest advancements in the AV industry. This ensures that our clients receive the most up-to-date and effective solutions available. We also believe in the power of collaboration. By working closely with architects, interior designers, and other professionals, we ensure that our solutions are seamlessly integrated into the overall design of the space. Our process begins with a thorough assessment of your needs and the space in question. We take into account factors such as room size, acoustics, and lighting to design a system that delivers optimal performance. Once the design is finalized, our skilled technicians handle the installation with precision and care. We also provide comprehensive training to ensure that you and your team can make the most of your new AV system. And our support doesn't end there. We offer ongoing maintenance and support services to keep your system running smoothly. Whether you need a simple upgrade or a complete overhaul, Sensile India has the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve is more important than ever. With Sensile India's innovative AV solutions, you can do just that. Our systems are designed to be future-proof, with the flexibility to adapt to new technologies as they emerge. This means that your investment will continue to pay off for years to come. We also prioritize sustainability, using energy-efficient components and practices to minimize our environmental impact. By choosing Sensile India, you're not just getting a top-of-the-line AV system, you're also making a responsible choice for the planet. So why wait? Transform your space and elevate your experience with Sensile India. Visit our website today to learn more and get started on your journey to a more immersive and engaging environment. Thank you for considering Sensile India for your AV needs. We look forward to working with you and helping you create a space that truly stands out. Whether you're looking to enhance your home entertainment, improve your business presentations, or create a memorable public event, we have the solutions you need. Our team is ready to assist you every step of the way, from initial consultation to final installation and beyond. Experience the difference that Sensile India can make. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards transforming your space. Together, we can create an environment that not only meets your needs, but exceeds your expectations. Sensile India, where innovation meets seamless integration.